Hello, my dear children. Myself, Swati Malik. A very warm welcome to all the students of class 2nd to today's English grammar class. Today we are going to study chapter number 28. Topic is vocabulary in context. Today we are going to learn about the vocabulary in context. Kids, when you read and you come across a word that you don't know, what do? Come on, be honest with me. Do you try to take out the dictionary each time you face difficulty in understanding the words? Or you just simply skip it and move on? Or you ask the help from your elders? These all methods actually will be very time consuming to stop the reading in between and look up to the meaning. Today, I am here to tell you that best thing to do when you come across a new word that you don't know. So kids, we may use the context to find the meaning of any difficult word. This method is called the context skill. Context clue is the information that appears near a word. It can be word, sentence, and language that surrounds the unknown word. We have to use the information provided near that word to find its meaning. Let us see the example. I hope the weather is sunny tomorrow. Here in this sentence, when we read the word around the weather, we will find a context clue that it is talking about sunny tomorrow. When sunny is there, we may get a clue from there. Weather is related to the atmospheric condition of that particular place. This is how we relate the things with new word to find out the meaning of that particular word. Let's begin our exercise now. First one is, a windstorm can completely dash a building. So children, here we will find a clue that when windstorm comes, what will happen? It will destroy a building. So we will select one word, that is destroy. Second one, we ate some dash cupcakes at his birthday party. So what do? If they are saying that we are eating cupcakes, then they must be delicious. Third one, I hope the dash is sunny tomorrow. As we are talking about the sunny day tomorrow, so this might be related to weather. Fourth one, the weatherman predict a dash winter this year. If some prediction is made regarding the winter, then it would be harsh. Violin is my dash instrument. So we are talking about an instrument. So it will be favorite. Sixth one, that boy has a great dash to learn. If it is great, then it must be ability. Seventh one, it is dash to be outside during a storm. So it will be dangerous to be outside during the storm. We cannot dash a storm from coming. As the storm is coming, so we cannot prevent. Ninth one, they eat dash from the trees. What do we get from trees? We might have got fruits. 10th one, things people do such as driving car can cause dash. So driving car can cause pollution. This is how children, how we use the context clue to find out the correct answer of the new words. That's all for today's class, children. I hope you would have enjoyed your class well. Thank you everyone. Take care. Goodbye.